5 money habits that keep you poor and how to fix them. Welcome to the Millionaire Glow Up, where we share our journey to millions and some tips and tools that could possibly help and inspire your personal finance glow up. Even if your goal is not to become a millionaire, know that it is possible and financial literacy is within reach. Today we are talking about the money habits that keep you poor and some ways you might want to try to get you on the right path to wealth. Habit number 1. Being scared of money or having a negative view of money. Money is neither good nor bad. It's just a tool, therefore it amplifies the person who uses it. If you're a good person, with a lot more money, you can do a lot more good. Likewise, if you're a bad person, well, you get the gist. Fix your mindset. Try challenging those money myths that you might have learned along the way. Habit number 2. Not knowing your net worth. Knowledge is power, and if you don't know your numbers, you don't know where you stand. Maybe you're a lot closer to your goal than you think. To get your net worth, tally up all your assets, which are things that make you money, like your job and any additional income. Subtract all your liabilities, aka your expenses, from your assets and you will get your net worth. The next money habit that will keep you poor is habit number 3. Spending everything you make, also known as keeping up with the Joneses. Live below your means. Just because you earn more, doesn't mean you need to spend more. Beware of lifestyle creep. Create a buffer with a budget. Set aside some money that you can use to save and invest. Habit number 4. Not paying yourself first. Yes, we know you just got paid. So what do we mean by that? When you're creating your budget, set aside an amount for savings and investments and then spend the leftovers. Most people do it wrong and spend first and save whatever they have left, which is usually not much. Finally, we made it to the last money habit that keeps you poor. Habit number 5. Not investing. Have you ever heard the saying, "Scared money doesn't make money"? What does that mean, and how do you get rid of fear? Through education. The stock market is not gambling if you put in the work and actually learn about the companies and assets you're investing in. Learn how to take calculated risks. You need sleep, your money doesn't. Let it work for you. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you want a part 2 by commenting more. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance videos. Follow us on Instagram at the Millionaire Glow Up. Good luck and take care.